So one of the things that you can do is work around with blending modes in Affinity as well. For example, I have this particular shape right here. And what I'm going to do now is bring in another shape right here. So let's just go around and bring in this shape, let's say for instance, and I'm going to go around over here and select out a color right here. So you can see that the top and bottom color don't actually interact right now. But if I want them to interact together, then you can actually go around over here and select the layer, and over here on the right hand side you can see that under layer it says normal. But if I were to choose something else, pigment, nothing actually happens right here, there's not much change. But if I were to select darken, then what happens is that this color acts like ink now and gets added up on the layer beneath it right here. Similarly, if I were to select light, then what happens is that this shape now acts like a light, and then you can see that it actually does an additive color change right there. Similarly, you can go ahead and choose different sort of let's say for example blending modes right here, just like this, and then what happens is that the color mixes beneath in similar way. And you can do the same thing with images as well. Let's say for example, if I were to go to file and then go to place right here, over here on my desktop, let's just go ahead and then import out this particular image right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, by default it's not actually you can see that blending out, but what I can do is multiply, and then what happens is that all of the whites you can see becomes transparent, and you can see the layer beneath it right here, just like this. Apart from that, if I were to select lighten, however, you can see that the blacks right here becomes transparent, and you can only see the light right here as I actually bring this up over here on top of these particular shapes. So that is how you can simply go ahead and work around with blending modes inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.